Many entrepreneurs and business owners place great importance on learning. However, during this learning process, most of their energy is often focused on things like branding, channels, and market positioning. Basically, aspects related to realizing business value or more market-oriented applications. But when it comes to business management, finance, operations, supply chain, human resources, or corporate strategy, I feel like there isn't as much attention paid. Not that many entrepreneurs systematically study modern business management knowledge, or learn about modern financial and operational analysis, or take the time to study specialized supply chain management. In the future, the development of China's consumer and service industries will enter an era of competition across the entire industry chain, across all domains, all networks, all channels, and the whole industry chain. In this process, our entrepreneurs will need to be familiar with every link in the company's value chain: production, supply, sales, human resources, finance, assets, supply chain, branding, channels, consumer markets, consumer behavior, and even what we call the digital economy. All of these areas require different kinds of expertise. But behind this competition, by eliminating some outdated and zombie enterprises, resources in the market will gradually concentrate toward leading companies. This will raise the overall level of China's consumer service industry. It's the same, right? In the consumer and service industries, this is a field where knowledge accumulation is extremely important. Only through extensive accumulation of knowledge can we achieve the reuse of capabilities, gradually approach the essence and truth of things, and sincerely provide the market with good products and services. The deeper the efficiency of these capabilities, the more likely a company is to have a structural competitive advantage. Because Joa Capital is a professional investment institution focused on consumer and service sectors, we are committed to being a strong partner and a valuable ally in our clients' business endeavors. That's why Jiahua is a long-term industrial investor. We see ourselves as the champion's super sparring partner, so we set very high standards for our team. We expect our team not only to invest money, but also to conduct research and carry out our own due diligence. Similarly, our post-investment team is also required to go beyond just investing money. They need to handle follow-up and tracking of our investments themselves. So over all these years, Jiahua has only invested in a little over 30 companies. For a professional investment institution, that's actually very counterintuitive and shows a lot of restraint. We have always believed that only industry can truly change the way China's economy grows. That's the only way for China to achieve high-quality development and for the modernization of Chinese society to be built on the fundamental logic of a market economy, creating a healthy, long-term, and effective environment for development and growth potential. All of this requires not only entrepreneurs, but also investors to genuinely act with integrity and sincerity, to calm down and wholeheartedly focus on creating value for enterprises, and to prepare by building their capabilities and learning.